chupito, la música en mi hogar. Chupito, chupito, bajo la luna y el mar.
Good, here in Gran Canaria. Great sea, palm trees. What more could you want? What is still missing is actually a delicious caipirinha. The caipirinha has somehow fallen behind mojito and Aperol. I don't understand why. It is a delicious drink. I think caipirinha is great, also easy to make for everyone if you have the right ingredients. What I maybe can say in advance is that we always use Delicana for our caipirinhas at Jupiter 1. And for a reason, they are artisanal. Directly from Brazil, Minas Gerais. The cachaça is very mild, has a lot of aroma, and is also aged in barrels for 3 months. However, no color is visible. No, barrel color is leached out. And I can only recommend it, give it a try. We start with our beautiful limes. Our limes should be organic. This one is not now. Sorry, that happens. I still need a cutting board. I don't have a cutting board. I'm currently cutting on our rubber surface. Oh yes, we will cut everything out later or leave it in, depending. In any case, it is still suboptimal. We started a bit unprepared today because if you want to make a video here, you always have to check that it is somewhat wind still. And we are in the Canaries, where there are often strong winds or fuerte vinde. That's where the term Fuerteventura comes from. But I have a small part. I have cut a slice for the decoration. Otherwise, I always remove the string inside here because it is really a bit bitter. Why do we always make our caipirinha so strong? Let's be honest, we want to make sales in the gastronomy. So, a little tip among bar friends, don't fill your guests up with the first caipirinha. They want to drink a second and a third if it was really tasty. And to make it delicious, we will do that together now by using Canarian, raw cane sugar, a small spoonful. Yes, Gran Canaria, in a few words, always around 25 degrees eternal spring. Great climate. Sometimes it is also cloudy and very windy, but that passes after a day or two. So here we actually are. Yes, we are right by the beach. About 5 kilometers from Playa de Ingles. I'm sitting out here in black, Gran Canaria. Okay, then we press lightly, so don't squeeze or massage the peel too much. Just really dribble very lightly. Then we have our ice. Classically, as one knows it, I have about 4.5 here. Measuring cups, so 4.5 cl. Let's try it. I think it's a good mixture. Maybe a bit too much. We could also use 5, but I wouldn't take 6 for how many caipirinhas are made. That's just too rough. And I fill the customer or the guest with the first caipi. Now comes a little secret recipe. The secret recipe that we add to our caipirinhas. Just a bit of lime juice to make it a little milder. And then a second and a third will be drunk, I swear. Just pour a little over until the glass is almost full. Done. Stir once. Russian beef. Decoration for those who like it. Voila. Caipirinha. Wow. Delicious. I would drink a second, third, maybe even a fourth. Super tasty. Check the shop for the Licana Silva. There is also a cinnamon, which we will introduce to you later. We also have the Licana Cinnamon Canela on the channels, and we will make our Canadians out of it. Cheers.
Chupito, chupito, la música no va.